Hi everybody, welcome in my channel Multi Eduha. Today I teach a very important part for class 9. In my previous mini videos I told how to do the factorization by common method, by formula method and myriad of factors. But today I tell how I teach you how to do the factorization with the surd part. First I tell what is surd. Look, this is a number. This is a number. In that number, two parts is there. One is normal number and one is root number. This root number is called surd. And what is surd? Surd is a root part which cannot be simplified in any rational numbers. It means you cannot write root 3 into a proper fraction. So it is called the surd. Now I tell how to do the surd in the maths, in the factorization. Look, this is a maths. In that maths, there are two surd parts. One is this is 1, 4 root 2 and that is root 2. In that cases, two root part, two surd part in two corner and middle part is only x, no power. In that cases, this math is little bit easy. How can I do? In my method, middle of factors, I tell you multiply these two part. Now you do the same part. Means 4 root 2 into root 2. In the surd, what's happened? When you multiply any root with the same root, then the root vanish. So in that case, root 2 multiply, what's happen? 4 into 2, it is 8. Now 8 is coming and you make the 8 normal factorization method use, prime factorization method normal way. Okay. Now normal Biraton factor method, that is a plus sign. So you make the middle part break with the addition sign. I make it this 2, 2, 2 and 1 proper. So how can I write in this way? Root 2 x square plus. How can I write 9? I write 9 into addition format is 8 plus 1. So I write 8 plus 1, then x, then plus 4 root 2. Why? It is normal. You break down the middle part in that format. Now remove the bracket. It is 8x plus x plus 4 root 2. Clear? Now you take the common. That is x and that is x square and that is root 2. So you can write root 2x. And what's the left part? That is x. Then question, how can I write the 8 and how can, if I root 2 take, then how it is happen? So you do in this way, I do this way, check it, 8 by root 2. So you remove root 2. So for remove root 2, you multiply up and down, means both same numbers, 8 root 2 into root 2 into root 2. In my first part, what I am telling, if the root 2 same root numbers you multiply, then the root remove, vanish. So how can I write? Now write 8 root 2 by 2. Simplify, it is 4 root 2. It is no need to do in the main mass. I teach you, for that reason I break down and everything show. So it is 4 root 2. And same things you write. You write 1 common and x plus 4 root 2. If this root part, if this common part, factorization part are same, then you understand math is okay. So from the both sides you take 1 x plus 4 root 2 and what's this one? Another, which one is left? 2 root x plus 1. It is our answer. Okay, is it clear? Okay, Now I will go to the next sum. Now take the second one. Here root is only middle part. In that cases, how can you do this one? First step. In that cases, first what you are do? 24, you do 24 divided by root 2. Now root 3. And now remove the root 3. So what I am telling? Multiply up and down same number. It is I teach a tricks for that method. It is easy for you. So follow that one. Okay. 24 root 3 by 3. Now you simplify it. 8 root 3. Why it is need? I tell this one. Here it is 24. But you make this way. And you make, it is a trick, so you make 8 into simplification by prime factorization method. 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 1. Then how can I write this way? X square first I write plus. You check only that part. Here there is a 2 and that is 2, 2, 2. 3, 2 is coming, so how can I write? I can write and it is right, not addition, it is subtraction method we use. Before that there is a minus sign. So how can I write? 4 minus 2. Okay? But at that time we use root 3 because our third part is root 3. So I can write 4 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Then x. 4 minus 2, it is 2 root 3. It is a tricks. Okay? ये आपको क्यों सिखाया मैंने? Because you can apply in that math and you can write the math. After that normal method, you just remove the bracket. X square plus 4 root 3x minus 2 root 3x minus 24. After that what you are taking? You take x. Okay? Then x plus 4 root 3. And then you take minus 2 root 3. What's happened? X plus 4 root 3. Okay? Then both are same. Both factor part are same. So how can I do? I do the same thing. X plus 4 root 3 and x minus 2 root 3. Clear? 1 minute, clear? Your answer is coming. This is your answer. But this is a new math, just I recall the trick part, not full math. What's happened? You look, there is the middle, a third part. So in that cases, what you are doing? You just last digit. You divided the last digit by the third part. Third part, at that time you remove the third, remove the root in this way. And what's the normal number kept? You just factors, you just prime factorization method, only that number. You can do this way, but in that cases, if you factor 24, it is also okay. But it is complicated. So you please follow that method. You do only 8, you proper prime factorization method apply, and that is 3, 2 means 4 minus 2. Why it is minus? Because there is minus. And normal others middle term factors, you complete the math. Okay? Hope it is easy for you. And thanks everybody for watching my video, and if you like it, please join in my live classes Saturday or Sunday, any one days I take the live classes. And one more thing, please subscribe my channel. Thanks, bye.